the kidney of various species. Firstly, ये सबसे पहले ऑक्स की किडनी. Okay, this one is the right kidney because the hilus is present on the ventral surface of the kidney. So this is the dorsal surface, this is the dorsal surface, and this is the ventral surface. There is the more lobulations found in the kidney of ox. So on the dorsal surface, these white markings, these are the actually fat deposition and fat present between the fissures. These are the fissures. In between them, the fats are present. On the dorsal surface, here we find the hilus, and there, on the left kidney, there are two surfaces and two borders. This one is the pointed, is the anterior part, and the round one is the posterior part. This is about the right kidney. This is the left kidney. It has three surfaces and two borders. Three surfaces include dorsal surface, a ventral surface, and a luminal surface because of the contact with the lumen. Now this is the vein. It's coming out from the hilus. This is the hilus, and this one is the ureter. This one is the ureter coming out from the dorsal surface. So this one is the left kidney. Artery. This is the vein, this is the artery, and this is the ureter. Now in the transverse section, here we will find a demarcation. This one is the cortex and medulla. This area is the cortex, and in this area in between is the medulla. In the medulla we will find renal pelvis and major and minor calyces. So these are the black surfaces. This includes the renal pyramids. Renal pyramids, it have the convoluted tubule system, the PCT and ACT, and about PCT and ACT, and after that in the medulla we will find the collecting ducts. Okay, now this area, this long area, it is the renal pelvis. Okay, renal pelvis, up to the ureters, and opposite to these are the major calyces. This and this, these are the major calyces, and in between the projections in between the cortex and medulla, these are the minor calyces. And as usual, this is the anterior part, and this one is the posterior part because of the pointed anterior, and the round one is posterior. अभी ये जो किडनी हॉर्स की है, दिस इज द हॉर्स लेफ्ट किडनी. It have a bean shape, but not a typical bean. It's just resembling a bean. Okay. Now the hilus is present. This is the medial border, and this is the lateral border. So the hilus is present on the just medial of the middle border. This one is the ureter is coming out, and as usual, this is the anterior pointed part and the posterior rounded part is coming out. And what the speciality is, there is a region, it's known as area cribrosa. It's found in the renal crest region. So this is the region, this is the renal crest. Okay. And just beneath the renal crest, here we found the serrations and perforations that connect up to the ureter. These are the this is the area cribrosa. This just connect up to the ureter, and here exactly we found the renal pelvis, and just opposite to the similar like that of the ox, with the major calyces and perforating up to the medulla is the minor calyces, and these are the renal pyramids, as usual is the cortex, and this region is the medulla. Okay, that's it about the horse kidney. Now what about the respiration? Grossly we will found the left kidney is just resembling a bean, but this is the right kidney. The right kidney is a typical heart shape. This is just peculiar feature of a horse kidney, and as usual the hilus is found in the just medial of the medial border. This is the kidney of pig, as like the anterior part is pointed and the posterior one is the rounded. So this is the ureter coming out, and not a special result, but the economic lesion. Now what inside? also special inside. As the major and minor calyces in the other species, it is not so prominent as we see, as you can see in the pig. In pig, these are the minor calyces we found. These are the minor calyces, and these are really very prominent as compared to ox and horse and dog. And here we found the major calyces, and these are the renal pyramids. Okay, that's all about the pig kid. The transverse section exactly of the pig, and these are the calyces. These are really prominent, and these are the minor calyces. In these black area, these are the conical shaped, and these are the medullary pyramids. This is the anterior part, and this one is the posterior part. As usual, middle border will be convex, and middle border will be concave. This is the whole gross of the pig. This one is last about the dog. This is the dog kidney. This resembles a typical bean shape. Typical bean shaped kidney. And while in the cross section, we will see this region is the cortex. This region is the medulla. But here, this demarcation is the medullary pyramid region. But here we will not find the exactly true medullary pyramids. Medullary pyramids, and this is the renal crest. Renal pelvis. This is the renal pelvis, and yes, as usual, the major calyx and minor calyx. This is the kidney of dog, but do not get confused with a dog or a fowl, because this is the urinary bladder, not the clinic. And yes, tech में एक चीज़ रह गई कि the dorsal ventrally flat compressed